Imagine an AI that can look at your messy desk and tell you exactly where you left your car keys. Sounds like science fiction? Well, buckle up, because the future is happening faster than you think. The AI revolution. What you need to know? Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind. The AI landscape is changing so fast, it's like trying to drink from a fire hose. But don't worry, I'm about to break down the most insane developments that are happening right now. Picture this. You've got 50 resumes on your desk. Old way? Hours of mind-numbing scanning. New way? An AI that processes them all in seconds. Yeah, you heard that right. Seconds. And we're not just talking about basic scanning. This AI can process any type of file you throw at it. Excel, PDF, Word, even PowerPoint presentations. But that's just the appetizer. What if I told you we're looking at AI that can process documents longer than War and Peace? We're talking 200,000 characters in seconds. Tell the difference between a blueberry muffin and a Chihuahua. Trust me, it's harder than you think. Search through over 1,000 web pages to find exactly what you're looking for. Look at your fridge and tell you every ingredient inside. Debug your code faster than you can say Stack Overflow and even help you learn new APIs. Let me show you something crazy. Shows visual demonstrations of AI capabilities. Watch this. I'm showing the AI a photo of a vegetable market. In seconds, it identifies not just the types of vegetables, but their colors, freshness, and even arrangement. Now let's switch to a street scene, boom. It can tell you exactly where this photo was taken. But we're just getting started. This AI is like having a personal assistant that can scan a restaurant menu and give you personalized recommendations based on your preferences. Compare products side by side, breaking down every feature difference. Provide real-time coding assistance as you work. Help you learn new programming concepts and APIs from scratch. This isn't just about cool tech tricks. This is about completely transforming how we work, create, and solve problems. Think about it. Businesses can process thousands of documents in minutes. Developers can code and learn faster than ever. Researchers can analyze massive amounts of data in real time. Content creators can get instant inspiration from vast web searches. The future isn't coming, it's already here. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to understand these tools now. Drop a comment below with the AI feature that blew your mind the most. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.